Have you ever tried to explain how you travel to work or school in English and felt confused?
Many learners feel confused because there are so many words like bus, train, subway, taxi, and more.
Today we will make everything simple.
Very simple. By the end of this lesson, you will talk about transportation with confidence.
And you will understand how to use the right words in the right places.
So stay with us. This lesson will help you a lot.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another English learning lesson. I am John.
And I am Lily. We are so happy that you are here with us today.
Today's topic is transportation. Transportation means how you travel from one place to another. Maybe you take the bus,
Maybe you take the train.
or maybe you walk.
Today we will talk about all of these in a simple and fun way.
And we will share many real stories.
So relax, sit down, and enjoy learning with us.
How did you come to the studio today?
Today I came by bus. The bus stop is near my house.
Was it busy in the morning?
It was very busy. Many people were going to work. I had to stand for 10 minutes.
I know that feeling. Standing on a moving bus is not fun.
Yes, I almost fell 2 times, but after 10 minutes I found a seat, and I felt better.
That is good. Today I came by car because I woke up a little late.
Did you have traffic?
A little. Near the city center, the road was slow. Too many cars.
The city centre is always crowded.
That is true. But today, I had music in my car, so the drive was relaxing.
That sounds nice. Do you drive to work every day?
Most days, I take the train.
Why do you take the train?
It is easy. I can sit, relax, and read a book. Driving every day feels stressful.
I feel the same. When I take the bus, I listen to music or look out the window.
Looking out the window is one of my favorite things to do when I travel.
Me too. Sometimes I imagine stories about the people I see outside.
That is cute. I sometimes guess where people are going.
That is a fun game.
So, do you take the bus every day?
Not every day. If the weather is nice, I ride my bicycle.
Really? That sounds healthy.
It is. And it is good for the environment too. But when it rains, I do not use it.
Same here. Riding a bicycle in the rain is not fun.
And it is dangerous. The roads are slippery.
Yes, safety is important. How do you travel when you visit your family?
My family lives far away. I take the train.
How long is the train ride?
About 2 hours.
That is long.
It is long, but I love it. I sit near the window and watch the countryside.
That sounds peaceful.
Sometimes I sleep a little too. The train movement makes me sleepy.
I understand. Trains are very relaxing.
How do you travel when you go on vacation?
It depends. If the place is close, I go by car with friends.
Road trips with friends sound fun.
They are. We talk, laugh, eat snacks, and listen to music.
Do you sing in the car?
Yes, but my singing is terrible.
That makes it even more fun.
True. Singing badly with friends is part of the fun.
What about airplanes? Do you like flying?
I have mixed feelings.
What does mixed feelings mean?
It means I feel good and bad at the same time.
Oh, I understand. What is the good part?
Airplanes are fast. I can go to another country in a few hours.
And the bad part?
Airports. They are large and busy.
I agree. Airports can be confusing.
But I love the feeling of taking off.
Me too. The moment the plane goes up feels exciting.
When did you last fly?
Last year, I went to Spain.
That sounds amazing. It was. The food was delicious and the people were friendly. How did you travel inside the city?
I walked a lot. Walking is the best way to explore a new place.
I agree. You see more when you walk.
I also used the subway, and one time I took a taxi.
Was the taxi expensive?
A little, but it was late, and I was tired.
Have you ever used a boat to travel?
Yes. I took a ferry to an island last summer.
Was the trip nice?
Very nice. The sea was calm, the water was blue, and the sun was warm.
That sounds perfect.
But sometimes the water is not calm.
What happens then?
The boat moves up and down. Some people feel sick.
I think I would feel sick too.
Maybe choose a short boat trip first.
What do you do when the bus is late?
I feel stressed. I look at my watch again and again.
I do the same thing.
If the train is late, I call someone and say, I am sorry, the train is late.
That sentence is very useful for learners.
Yes, everyone understands it.
Have you ever lost something on public transportation?
Yes. I once lost my scarf on a train.
Oh no. Did you get it back?
No, it was my favorite scarf.
I am sorry.
What about you?
I once lost my umbrella on the bus.
Did you get it back?
No. But it was a cheap umbrella, so it was okay.
What is your dream transportation?
A super-fast train that can take me anywhere in 1 hour.
That sounds amazing.
What about you?
A nice electric bicycle.
That is more realistic than mine.
Yes, but dreams are fun. Now let us teach some useful words from our conversation.
Yes. Repeat after us to practice. Commute means your daily trip to work or school. Example: my commute is 20 minutes by bus.
Repeat after me. My commute is 20 minutes. Public transportation means transportation for everyone like buses, trains and subways. Example: I use public transportation every day.
Repeat after me. I use public transportation. On foot means walking. Example: I go to the shop on foot.
Repeat after me. I go on foot. A route is the path a bus or train takes. Example: the number 5 bus has a route through the city.
Repeat after me. This is my bus route. Fare means the money you pay for a bus or train. Example: the bus fare is $2.
Repeat after me. The fare is $2. Delay means something is late. Example: the train has a delay.
Repeat after me. There is a delay. Traffic means many cars on the road. Example, there is heavy traffic in the morning.
Repeat after me. There is heavy traffic. A ferry is a boat that carries people from one place to another. Example, I took a ferry to the island.
Repeat after me. I took a ferry. Mixed feelings means feeling good and bad at the same time. Example, I have mixed feelings about flying.
Repeat after me. I have mixed feelings. Crowded means many people in one place. Example, the bus was very crowded.
Repeat after me. The bus was crowded. It is your turn. I will ask some questions. Try to answer aloud. I will give you a little time to think. How do you go to work or school? Do you like buses or trains more? What transportation do you use on weekends? Have you ever lost something while traveling? What is your dream transportation?
Great job. Even if your answers were short, that is good practice. Now it is time for our question of the day.
Today's question is very simple.
How do you usually travel in your city?
Tell us in the comments. Do you go by bus? By car? On foot?
We love reading your answers.
Thank you for learning with us today.
You did great.
Remember, learning English step by step makes you stronger.
Keep practicing every day.
If you liked this lesson, please subscribe to our channel.
And come back for more friendly English lessons.
Until next time, stay happy and keep learning.
Bye, everyone.